Are you searching for the most beautiful island in the world? If yes, then this video is for you. Keep watching until the end of the video to see one of the world's most beautiful islands. Island of Moorea. The island of Moorea is one of the 114 islands of French Polynesia, with a shape like a heart looking down at the island from above. It is no surprise that this island is the second most popular honeymoon destination on the islands of Tahiti. 8 mountain peaks rise magically out of the ocean like a cathedral. High, sharp, inspiring green spires crowned by clouds. Poetic threads of waterfalls tumble down fern-softened cliffs. Pastel-painted houses, surrounded by gardens of hibiscus and birds of paradise, circle the island in a necklace of happy, simple villages that will elevate your senses and remind you that this is what life is all about. Peaceful meadows flanked by pinnacles of emerald green will renew your belief in the majesty of nature, and Moorea's bright blue lagoon will bring to life the South Sea's idol of your dreams. The island of Moorea reflects the Polynesian lifestyle and offers visitors an authentic experience of the islands of Tahiti, boasting La Vie Heureuse, as they say in Tahiti, a happy life. Where is the island of Moorea located? Many people have heard of the island of Moorea, but they may not know where Moorea is in French Polynesia, a part of the Society Islands. The island of Moorea is located 11 miles northwest of the island of Tahiti. Moorea is accessible only by ferry or short plane ride from Papeete, the capital of the island of Tahiti, which means this island is one of the more remote places to stay in French Polynesia. While maintaining a small island feel and a bigger-than-life personality, a Moorea vacation is ideal for any couple or family. Island of Moorea Guide. One of the top reasons people visit the island of Moorea is its geographical beauty, nestled in a quiet lagoon. Moorea, with its diverse coral reefs and annual trade winds from April to October, allows for various activities, from outrigger canoeing to paddle boarding, kiteboarding, water skiing, and even surfing around some of the passes. The island of Moorea is a haven for divers and is known for its varied coral reef ecosystem and the colorful mix of marine life. While scuba diving or snorkeling, you might encounter stingrays, sharks, and marine turtles in a clear lagoon sparkling with different shades of blue. If you prefer land activities, on the mountainside of Moorea's sharp landscape, 8 summits featuring a magnificent ancient volcanic crater that has become a lush valley is the perfect area for hiking, horseback riding, quad biking, or four-wheeling to explore Moorea's unforgettable beauty. I believe this video will be very helpful to you, and you will learn everything there is to know about the Moorea Island. If yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. One of your subscriptions will motivate us to make more videos and ensure that you don't miss anything. If you enjoy the video, please leave a like and a comment and tell us what you think.